Good morning, Nutty Buddy Nation. How are you guys doing today? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Vanessa with Vanessa's Daily Live Streams. I am here today to say hello and good morning. It is 10:31 a.m. I just got through cleaning the kitchen, y'all, and did a video for the other channel, Vanessa's Vanlife Journey. It had a lot of dishes in the sink. And right now there are no dishes in the sink, but in a few minutes it's gonna look like I ain't even cleaned the kitchen because I'm about to cook me some breakfast because I'm hungry. I only ate one meal yesterday, you guys, and I'm actually feeling a little faint. I'm actually feeling a little like just not good because I'm hungry and I'm dehydrated. So that's the things we're about to take care of right now. I am about to fix me some breakfast. I'm going to fix Miss Charlene some breakfast as well. And then I am going to get dressed later, go take a shower. And I have some business to take care of today. And I'm going to go try to take care of that before 1 p.m. I'm not in a rush because I need to eat before I leave. I need to take a shower. And so I'm just going to do the things that I need to do. Sometimes you need to just slow it down instead of rushing and do the things that you need to do. So this morning, what I'm going to have for breakfast is a beef patty and some bacon and some eggs. So I'd already washed my hands and my hands are so dry. I need to do my exfoliating thing again this morning. I think I'm gonna stop by the Dollar Tree or Walmart today and get one of those Primet stones. One of those stones for a manicure. I'm gonna get one of them for my hand. I think I just need one of them cheap Dollar Tree ones. I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree and get one of them. And I think I'm going to stop by T-Mobile today because I did get a message on my phone. I need a new phone, y'all. The phone I'm filming on right now is probably an iPhone 13 or 14. I actually need a new phone, and I usually get a new phone every year for my birthday or try to upgrade and give myself a gift for my birthday. But this year things were kind of tight, so I wasn't really able to give myself a birthday gift this year. That's why I just drove to Vegas and did like my $100 shopping spree for my birthday because I didn't have any money to treat myself to a like expensive birthday gift. But usually T-Mobile usually have specials where I usually can get a phone for free. Sometimes I have gotten like 2 phones for free. And so they sent me a message and told me that I could get the iPhone 16 up to $850 for free, complimentary for being a great customer. So, oops. So, I'm thinking about going to T-Mobile and just listening to what they have to say. Every time I go on T-Mobile though, y'all, just to hear what they have to say, I end up walking out with another phone. So I think the phone that I have right here is my most recent phone. Is an iPhone 14. So, oops, I put this in the wrong skillet. So my newest phone is an iPhone 14. So you know these other ones are like 11 or 12, something like that. So it's definitely time for an upgrade because the technology, you know, on the iPhones, the technology gets better every year. The cameras get better every year. So, and then sometimes they change the sizes of the phone. So I don't know what the difference is between the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 16. I don't know if it's gotten bigger. I don't know what technological upgrades they've gotten on them. But I'm gonna go check them out and hear them out. I am gonna do that. So I'm gonna do 4 eggs this morning. Miss Charlene, ooh, I think the egg was a little frozen. Miss Charlene be doing 4 eggs, but I'm doing a beef patty and and bacon this morning. So I don't know if she still wants 4 eggs. So I got 4 eggs for myself, y'all. I'm hungry. I actually didn't eat that much yesterday. Only 1 meal yesterday. And I'm gonna put some salt and some pepper in here. I can't cook my eggs while I'm cooking hers because I'll forget about mine and then they will end up overcooking. But I want to have them ready after I finish her eggs. I could just put them in the skillet. So my eggs are scrambled. Miss Charlene does not like scrambled eggs. She kind of likes her eggs a little over easy or over soft. So I don't know if I should cook her 4 eggs or not. I'm kind of thinking I should just cook her 2 with the beef patty, but I'm gonna go and cook her 4 eggs because she thinks she a big girl now. She thinks she a big girl now. She's a big girl now, so I'm gonna cook her 4 eggs, which I have a feeling that she's not gonna eat them all. Put a little salt. A little pepper. She likes garlic, garlic, just garlic, granulated garlic. She just likes the garlic taste. So I'm gonna put some garlic on her. Eggs as well. And we got the 4 eggs. That's gonna be over easy. And a beef patty and a piece of bacon for breakfast. And my 4 eggs with some heavy whipping cream in them, all cooked in some bacon grease. So I'm going to put my skillet on. I'll be trying to turn this over without tearing it up. Sometimes it's hard. Sometimes it's hard to turn over the egg. Oh my goodness, it's fighting with me. I'll take mine over you. Good child, you late. You is late unless Charlene just wants 2 eggs.
I'm just kidding.
No, you not. You know you want the egg.
No, I'm just kidding.
You don't want none? You sure?
Yeah. That's it.
Okay, Miss Charlene likes her eggs a little raw-ish. So basically, I just turn it over and pretty much just take it off the grill. She just wants the white cooked. She just wants the white cooked. In March, April, maybe May. When do it start warming up around here?
It depends. Sometimes in February, sometimes this month.
Okay, y'all, breakfast is served. Hi, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm not sure if I said hello and hi and welcome to the vlog. So if I didn't, hello and hi and welcome to the vlog. I am driving, headed somewhere to take care of some business. And I'm also going to stop by the T-Mobile store. They said I could get a free phone, a free iPhone 16. My other phone, the most current one, is an iPhone 14. I don't even know what the other one is. Probably a 13 or 12 or something. I don't even know. So I'm driving right now. The weather is a little like dreary looking, cloudy, no sun. Charlene, for the last week, she been saying, when is the sun gonna come out? When is the sun gonna come out? I say, girl, that sun ain't coming out till March, April, May, something like that, because it sure ain't out now. So anywho, y'all, I'm gonna holler at y'all later. I just want to check in and let y'all know what I was doing today. Nothing much, but I got dressed. I like my little outfit, y'all. I put my little outfit together. My jeans is a little tight, but I started to take them off and put on another pair. But I was like, you know what? I'm wearing these jeans. They button up, they zip up, and hopefully I could sit down in them. So yeah, I got on my jeans, but I got a little cute casual outfit on. I got my little furry looking Fitville shoes on, which I love. And I don't think I ever really wore them that many times. So anywho, let me go take care of my business and I'll talk to y'all in a little bit.